So I just bought this TEZ cable from Amazon for $35 and trying to unbox this one for you guys. So using my trusty scissors, let's go ahead and unbox this one, okay? Well, yeah, it looks like it's pink. Okay, nice. Well, the cable looks really good. It's properly braided. It's thick. It's also very hard. And this one is quite long. I'll show you guys later on once I connected this to my keyboard. And the box itself is just the cable. I am not yet sure how many feet is that. And this is really nice. Nicely coiled. And let's see if there's anything else under or inside this box other than the foam. And that's it. Yeah, it's very simple. So this is $35 again from Amazon. And let me see if I connect this to my keyboard. I also bought some keycaps, by the way, so I'll show you guys that later on once it's all connected. So this is USB-C, although the USB slot for this keyboard is right to the center, so it's really embedded there, so you can't hardly see this one, but you know, it's really cool. Really nice. Alright, so here it is plugged to my RK87 keyboard, brown switch. It looks really nice, and although I wish it was a little bit extended, but it's the location of my USB slot for this keyboard, not the Coil's fault. But it really looks good. I like it. I'm happy with this purchase. Again, $35 in Amazon. Thanks for watching and hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.